चलो सर. So again, very good afternoon, good evening to everyone from wherever you guys are joining us from. So I hope I'm audible and visible. So let's start today's session with the mock analysis of the live mock from this week's IB ACIO examination. Right? So again, live mock. So now, first of all, before I even start, I feel so. First of all, the setup again. This is the last class from this setup. So because like as you guys as I have told you guys, my studio is going through a little bit of revamp. So this is just a temporary setup. So the work is almost done. So again, I guess from Monday onwards, I'll be back at my studio. So this is the most probably the last class. Okay, from this setup. Now again, this week's mock, I felt the level is quite good enough. Why? Let me say this: 2024, the IB level, the exam, the ACIO exam, IB suddenly like kind of revamped the exam level. They have kind of increased the level to like particular like the level like kind of the jump was significant. So this particular like this week's mock, I felt it was kind of touching that level again. I felt it was kind of going one level above that itself, which is exactly the type of practice that you guys need. I feel that is very important for us like going forward. So again, let's without wasting any more time, let's start solving. So again, it's a simplification question, but again, it's not a very simple simplification. You see, number of terms are quite big. So two divisions. So let's do one by one because both will come like if you write it, so it will look something like this: 19,320 divided by 46 and divided by 7 means it will also be the denominator. So again, if you calculate, sir, 7 twos are 14. So if this is, sir, like 53, 7 sevens are 49. So 42, 7 6 are this. So this is this. Now again, 46, 46, 46, 6 are this. So this is 60, sir. So this whole part becomes 60. I'm just writing it here. Plus, so 2002 divided by 2002 divided by 77 into, sir, 4. Simple Wadmer's rule, sir. You can go with 11. So 7, 11, 11, ones are 11. So 990 meaning, sir, 8s are 88, 22s. Again, sir, 7s is 7, 2s are 14, 7, 6 are this. So 26 into 4, that is 104, sir. 25 fours are 100, 26 into 4. Again, sir, minus 195%. 195% means by 100 into, sir. What is in bracket? 12. So 12 से करोगे तो sir 8 12s are 96, 7 12s are this. So 87 minus 37, that is, sir, 50. So 50 here divided by, sir, 13 into 2. Chalo, let's see. And 272 and 17. So 17 ones are 17, 102. So this is 6 times. So that is minus 16. Chalo, let's calculate, sir. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2 gone. 13, 13 ones, 5s are this. So this is 15 and, sir, this is 16. So that is minus 1. So minus, so this is minus of 15, minus of 15. Please understand, sir. This is 195 and this is 87. Have I put 87 anywhere? One second, just a second. Acha, I guess I have made a mistake. I have made a mistake here. By 13 into 2 into 50. Acha, 50 I have put. So 87, no, I've put 87 minus 37. I've done it directly. Sir. So no mistake. So I've done it. So this is 195 minus this answer. This is minus this one. So there is no bracket. So this will minus, this will be, sir, minus 16 itself. So just do the calculation. This is, I guess, 31. 31 means 29. Answer 104. ऐसा कुछ आएगा. So 913. Sir, 133. 133, that is option number C. That's your answer. Now again, because the terms were significant, so it was definitely a little bit on the lengthier side. But again, last year, 2024, IB actually asked questions based on this type of patterns. So again, a few questions, not every question, but again, few questions were very, very, very lengthy like this one. Now, again, just a disclaimer, there is a lot of voltage and like current fluctuations going on in Kolkata due to heavy rain. Okay, it's Kolkata is underwater abhi. So thoda like so just the current came back. So it's the AC, just the compressor turned on. So it was kind of almost 2 hours there were no electricity. Now, A and B together can complete in 6 hours and 40 minutes. B can complete in this. Acha, sir. That means, now first, please understand. Please understand. Now they work together. So this is a work and wage related question. A plus B together, A plus B together, they can complete in these many hours. Sir, 40 minutes meaning sir 2/3 hours. So 6 whole 2 by 3 meaning sir 20 by 3 sir. This is 20 by 3. So efficiency ratio, if I'll take the opposite, that is 3 by 20. And what about only B? B, this is 12. So I'll take the opposite, that is 1 by 12. So you take the ratio. So 4 threes are this, 4 fives are this. Now multiply, sir. This is 9 ratio 5. So meaning B can do 5 units of work every day. A plus B together, they can do 9. So that means A can do 4 units. Very simple words. Now that means A and B. What will be this wage ratio, sir? Because they have worked for the same amount of time. So this wage will also get like kind of distributed in their efficiency ratio. That is the main concept of time, like work and wages. So 4 ratio 5. So who will get how much? So let's see, sir. So definitely the difference between them, because you see they in the statements they're saying share of B is this much more or less than like the other share. So difference will be 1 part, 4 and 5, difference is 1 out of 9 parts of 11,016. Right, sir? Acha, share of B is 2. Acha, no. They are asking like the share, no, not difference, sir. They are not asking difference. I have to calculate each and every share. Chalo, let's calculate them. So it is 4 out of A share I'm taking. 4 out of 9 parts of 11,016. Chalo, calculate, sir. 9 tens, 9 tens are 90, 11s are 99. 9 12s are, let's take, sir, 108. So 221, 9 twos are, so 29 twos are 18, 3 9 fours are 36. So that is 48 and 24 fours are 96. 48, 96 A will get, and definitely this thing into 5 will be B's amount. So B will get 5 12s are 6,000, and so 24 into 5 is 120. So B will get 6,120. So 120 more than 6,000. So definitely this is my answer. And if this is correct, then this cannot be correct. So only statement Q is correct. That means option D is my answer. Abhijit, yes, brother, you are correct. Absolutely correct. You are. Definitely you are correct. Perfect. Chalo. Again, simple, but again a little calculative. That's all. That's all. Sir, next one. In grade 11 of a school, 40 students opt for physics, 17 bio, 20 chemistry. Sir, Venn diagram. If the total number of students is 60 and all of these students opt for at least one of the 3 subjects mentioned, sir, let's start, sir. 3 variable Venn diagram. Sir, again, physics and sir, bio and sir, chemistry. 40 students for physics, 17 opt for bio, chemistry major 20. All three I told you. Totals are 60. Remember this. This data will be very important always. Acha, all of them has gone for at least one of the subjects. Exactly 5 have opted for all 3. Exactly 5. What is the probability that a randomly selected student of grade A or grade 11 school of this school would have opted for exactly one of these 3 subjects? Sir, I don't know exactly one. So let's say this is A, B, and C, and I don't know this M and P. M and O, let's say. Let's say, sir, M and O. So A, B, C, this C is getting written double, na? B is also, अच्छा एक काम करो sir. इसको हटा दो X, Y, Z. because you see, like C, if I write, na, C is chemistry. So again, we can have a misconception which C I've taken. So let's understand one thing, sir. So total is 60. Total is 60, sir. Now please understand, if I write down everything, let's say, if I write down everything, sir, x plus y plus z. Achha, let's not jump steps. Let's do it, because many will find this a little tricky. Sir, what about physics, sir? Let's go one step at a time. Sir, let's just write down physics. Physics total is 40. So let's write physics like a physics circle. So circle for physics is x plus m plus n plus 5. You see, whatever is under the circle of physics. So I can conclude x plus m plus n is equal to 35, sir. This is one. Similarly, if I write down the biology circle, this will be z plus m plus o plus equal to 5. I'm taking to that side, so it is 12, sir. Similarly, if I write down this will be y plus n plus o is equal to 20 minus 5 is 50. Done. Now add all these three equations. Add all three of these equations. So if I add them, you see x plus y plus z I'm getting. X plus y plus z. This is not a very simple question, definitely. Plus, sir, you see m here, n here, n here, o here, o here. So twice, like every m, n, o, all three twice each. So twice of m plus n plus o, that is equal to 35 plus 15, that is 50 plus 2, like 12 means at 62. So that is one of our equations. That is one of our equations. Second equation, sir. Now let's see. Totals are 60 students, and we know exactly 5 of them took all three subjects. So if I subtract all three, so remaining will be, sir, x plus y plus z plus m plus n plus o, can I say? M plus n plus o. So that should be equal to 55 now, because total 60 minus 5, because these 5 are gone. So this is your second equation. Sir, I need what? I need the probability that they have taken only one subject. So meaning I just need x plus y plus z value. That means, like, then only I can answer. So how can I get x plus y plus z if I can cancel out m plus n plus o? How? Sir, multiply this by 2. This equation, I'm using elimination method. So if I do this and if I cancel this out, so I'm just doing this minus this. So 2 minus 1, so I'm just writing this data here. So I'll be having x plus y plus z is equal to, this is 110 minus 62. 110 minus 62. 60, 50, so this is 48, I guess. 48. So what is the probability, sir? So 48 students have taken exactly one subject each out of total students 60. That's your probability. But again, the values are given in decimals, so just do this now. So it's 6, 8, 6 tenths. So 8 by 10 means 0.8. 0.8, that means option D is your answer. Option D is your answer. Now, this was a beautiful, beautiful question. This was definitely a beautiful question. Exactly this type have been asked in CAT actually. So they have copied this, like whoever has made this question. It's a like not exactly a POIQ, but again like very similar to a POIQ from CAT. CAT में ऐसा question पूछा गया है already. Next one, sir. Next one. A vendor purchases 2 sacks of corns, 200 corns in each sack. He calculated cost price of 1 sack of corn, CP of 1 sack is equal to SP of 3 into SP. So that means, sir, CP by SP is how much, sir? 3 by 1. So there is a loss. Acha. Then find out how much. Find out how much less of the loss is he is suffering if sells 2 sacks of corn equal to. Acha. So loss is how much here? So loss is 2 out of CP of 3. So 2/3 means 66.66% or 67%, whatever you call it. Now, second situation, sir, cost price of one sack of CP It is equal to selling price of 2 sacks, 2 into SP, sir. Sir, if you calculate, sir, CP by SP ratio, it is 2 by 1. So loss of 1 sack out of 2 sacks meaning, sir, 50% loss. Sir, how much less loss? 16.66% less. Option में, sir, है option A. Option A. This was a much easier question. Much less calculative. Much less calculative, sir. Perfect. Moving on. Sir, B can walk a certain distance in these many hours. This is how much, sir? Minutes. Sir, this is minutes, na? Sir, calculate this into minutes. 1 hour is 60, 2/3 means 40 minutes. So 100 minutes, sir. Sir, so B and A, time ratio. Sir, B is taking 100 minutes. So A is taking 28 minutes less. 28 minutes less means 72 minutes. What is the ratio of speed? So speed ratio will be opposite. This is speed ratio, sir. Calculate by 4. This is 4/18s are this, 4/25s are this. So speed ratio will be 25/18. Khatam. This was a very basic question. This was a very basic question, right? Speed ratio, time ratio, they are inversely proportional to each other. That's the concept, the basic, most basic concept of the time, speed, and distance. Next one, sir. Aman has 2 goats, 1 horse. Acha, 2 goats and 1 horse. Price of the horse is given. If he sells the horse with first goat, he gets 4 times as an equation, linear equation questions. Sells the horse with the first goat, goat number 1. He gets the amount 4 times the amount of the second goat. So this is the equation. If he sells the horse with the second goat, he receives 4,000 more, meaning plus, than the price of the first goat, sir. This is the equation. This is your equation. Sir, you can, they're asking average value of like all these. So again, that means I need to calculate. Sir, do one thing, sir. G1 or H, you put any value there. Sir, I will suggest, एक सेकेंड रुक जाओ. G2 है ना सर, एक साथ निकल सकता है. H plus G1 ना. Sir, put the value of G1 because H plus G2 you keep it because I need to get the average. I need H plus G1 plus G2 because if I get the sum divide by 3, I'll get the average. H plus G2 you keep it like this. Can like kind of put this. H plus G2 is equal to 4,000 plus put the G1 value. G1 will become 4G2 minus H. Correct, sir? So just keep this to this side. So 4G1, this will become set G2. This will become minus 2H, or rather equal to 2H minus 4,000. रुक जाओ एक second. Have I made any error? If he sells the horse with second goat, the amount 4,000 more than the price of the first goat. Just a second. Just a second. No, we are getting stuck. अच्छा, हॉर्स का वैल्यू इज गिवन ना. अरे यार, हॉर्स का वैल्यू इज 20,000 गिवन ना. That is the reason I'm thinking how 3 variables, 2 equations, how can we find it? Extremely sorry. This is very simple. We can do it. So just put as we have done it this much. I'm putting so you can actually put the value H directly here. H is given as 20,000. My mistake actually. So 20 into 2 is 40,000. This is 36,000, sir. So G2 is 12,000, sir. G2 is 12,000. So G2 I'm writing 12,000. Now, once you find G2 is 12,000, so G1 you will find from this equation, any equation actually. So G1 will be 4G2. 4G2 means 4 12s are 48,000 minus H. H is 20,000 given to you. That means a 28,000. So average will be say 12, this is 28, 40 plus 20, that is 60 by 20, by 3 is at 20,000. So average is 60 by 3, 20,000 is the answer. Kuch nahi tha, sir. It was nothing actually. It was nothing. Very simple question. Next one, sir. Proportionality. A is directly proportional to the square of B. A proportional to B squared, sir. Again, sir, how to get rid of this proportional sign? How to get rid of this? Sir, K into B square. Or rather, I'm taking K1 because there is another. B is inversely proportional to C. So meaning B proportional to 1 by C. So how to get rid of this? It is K2 into this. Now, which of the following is correct? Sir, A is inversely proportional to square of C. Let's see. A is, so if I try to write it down, it will be A proportional to square of C inversely. So inversely meaning this. So let us start with this. So that means A into C square. So A into C square I'll start with. So how can I do A into C square? So let's do one thing, sir. This is B square, na? So let's put this over here. So A is equal to K1 into B square. Okay, instead of B square, I'm putting B square meaning this. So K2 square into 1 by C square. Now this thing is constant because constant into constant is always constant only. So at the end of the day, I'm getting A varies as 1 by C square, meaning this is definitely correct. So next one, sir. AC is directly proportional to B. So meaning I'll start with what you know, AC by B. Sir, how to do that? How to do that AC by B? Sir, AC by B. Chalo, let's if you want this now, so you just start with AC by B. Put the values. A is K1 into B square into C. Sir, what will be C? Sir, C is C. You can get the value from here. C will be, sir, K2 into, sir, 1 by B. Just put the value. So from here I can write, from this line I can write, sir, C is equal to K2 into 1 by B. So K2 into 1 by B I've just written. By B you keep it. And if you don't want to keep it, you don't keep it, no worries. B, 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 B. So that means AC by B is equal to some constant. That means I can definitely conclude AC parallelizes B, sir. That means this C is also correct, meaning both 1 and 2, both of these are actually correct. Both of these statements are actually correct. Simple question, but again, keep it simple, sir. Now again, next one, sir, 18,000, 13% rate of interest per annum. Sir, 18,000, 13%. What is the value? 18,000 into 13 by 100. 0000. Sir, 18 into 13. Just calculate, sir. 18 into 13. 18 into 13 is how much, sir? 18 into 10 is, or rather 180 into 13, let's do. So 18, so 180 into 100, like 10 is, sir, 1800. Sir, this is 540. 540. So 04, this is 23. So 2340, this is 1 year's interest. In how many year it will become, sir? 9360, I guess. 23 4 times, sir. It is definitely into 4. Meaning, sir, in 4 years, that is my answer. That is my answer. In 4 years, it will become this. As simple as it gets. As simple as it can get. Khatam. So next one. Next one, sir. What is this? Average of male and female. Okay. And total number of male. Badhiya. Achha, they will ask C1, C2, C3 male workers. Ratio of total C1 300, 200, 300, 800 male ratio. Female, I guess they will ask from C5, C6 and C7. Acha sir, female how to find? Sir, you know male plus female and male minus you will get female. But again, this is average. So totals are 400. So 400 is the total. Out of 280 is male. So 120 will be female, sir. Minus kar do. Again, sir, next 280, meaning sir 560 is the total. Out of 560, 260 is sir male. So this is 560, 260, meaning sir 360 is female, sir. Next, sir, 340 is average. That means 680 is total. Out of 680, 360 is gone. 360 gone means, sir, how much? Take second. This is 340, na? Huh? So 680, 360, 20 and 3. So 320. That's your total female. 300, 300, 600, 700. 740. 0, 0 gone. 40 ratio 37 is the answer. Check the option 40 ratio 37. You see option number C. Option number C is the answer. Not very calculative, not very time taking, nothing. Nothing of that sort. Nothing of that sort, sir. Perfect. Chalo, moving on. Moving on, sir. Chalo, thoda. Sum of the age of Seema and Rohit is 2 more than the twice of the A Bape. Sir, in these situations, and again, sir, you see ratio they are asking, so shortcut वगैरह लगेगा नहीं. I told you one thing multiple times in this channel, in mock analysis, in normal videos, I've told you things. Sir, start from ratio. What is the ratio? Seema's age 3 years ago. Seema's age 3 years ago. So I'm taking that is 8x. So current age plus 3. Kush's present age. Kush present age 9x. Sir, done. Now, sum of Seema and Rohit. Seema plus Rohit is 2 more than twice of the Kush's twice of the age of Kush. Twice of the age of Kush. Perfect. So it is given. So Seema, I know. अच्छा Rohit का भी निकालना पड़ेगा sir. अच्छा if the average age of Kush and Rohit after 6 years is 34. So now it is 28. Average से 6 कम कर दो. So that is 28 into 2, sir. That means 56. The total age, sir. So again, put the values. Kush is 9x. So Rohit will be, sir, 56 minus 9x. This is the present age of Rohit. Now again, put the x values here. S value, that means the Seema is 8x plus 3. Rohit is 56 minus 9x. It is equal to 2 plus k is 2k. 2k means, sir, 18x. So you just put, you see, it's very simple. 18x and 8x meaning 10x. So this 9 will go that side, so it will become 19x. 3 and 2 meaning, sir, 1, 56 and 1, sir, 57. X is 3, sir. 19 3s are this. Khatam. X is 3. Now they are asking what is the ratio of Seema's age 2 years ago. So Seema's present age is 3 8s are 24 plus 3. 27. 2 years ago it was 25. Now, Rohit's age 4 years ago. Rohit's age is this. 57 minus 3 9s are 27. 26 to that is 30. So 29. 29, 4 years ago it was 25. So 25 ratio 25. The answer is 1 ratio 1. Answer is 1 ratio 1. Khatam. Done, sir. Simple question. Just you need to go up and do a couple of lines. Sir, again, sir, if this is recurring fraction, but again you see recurring fraction like calculation doesn't mean always lengthy, because only 2 digits after recurring fraction in both cases, that means it is not a recurring fraction. Convert na sir. So 25, sir, 6 bar, that means 66 by 99, right? 66 by 99 means 2/3 and this means 1/3. So 25 minus this and 2/3 minus 1/3. So this is how much? 11 whole. This is 1/3. 1 by 3. Option number D, sir. It was a one-liner question. It was one-liner. No need to do calculations. No need to do calculations. If you try and do calculations, you will get stuck. Sir, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. And sir, these are given. First things first, I told you. A plus b plus c, and the formula is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. But again, I told you this thing can be written in a certain way And very important, from there we get a conclusion as well. So that is x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. I told you okay, this is very important. By sir, x plus y plus z. Told you na, sir, cancels. Put down these values. These are given. These are given, sir. X minus y 3, 3 square 9, minus 2 square 4. This is 1. So that means a 9 and 10, 14, 7 is the answer, sir. 7, 7, 7, option C. That's your answer. Done. Done, sir. Not difficult at all. Next one. In a school, 30%, sir, 100 students. 30% boys and rest are girls. 30 boys, 70 girls. Sir, 60% of the boys are present and absent पूछा है. So absent 60% boys present means 40% absent. 3/4 are 12, 12 boys are absent. So 70, 80% girls are present, 20% absent, 7 twos are 14, 14 girls are absent. So total 26 students are absent, 12 plus 14. So total sir percentage of absent students 26%. Option C. I have taken 100 because I know, like I've seen they are asking percentage. Done, sir. Done. Yes, Abhijit, perfect. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Discount is 36%, profit is this. Discount is this, the profit is this. Sir, I'll start with this. So let's say MP is 100. Sir, discount 18%, then SP is how much, sir? That is 82 rupees. Profit is this. So that means I'll find CP. CP 82. So profit is 41 rupees. That means this represents 141 because profit 41, meaning 141 is SP. I need CP. This is your CP, sir. Don't calculate. You don't need to calculate. They are asking if the discount is 36%. Then sir, SP will be what? Then sir, SP will be how much, sir? SP is going to be how much? 64, I guess. CP this, SP this. They're asking find your value of A, meaning what will be the profit in this case. अच्छा, अभी तो calculation थोड़ा करना पड़ेगा sir. Now we have to calculate a little bit. 41. Sir, I don't think ये calculation बहुत ही गंदा होने वाला है. चलो, let's do 8200 by 141 because this is not going to give us any good value. So just understand this. So this is CP, this is SP. So 141 into 64. Sir, 164 into 14, let's do now, sir. 64 into 14, just for our curiosity. Just understand. 4 fours are 16, 1. 6 fours are 24, 6 fours are 24 and 4, sir. 25. And 1, sir, 26. 2. 6 ones are 6, 2s are 8. 866. 866. Sir, that is 8660 minus 8200 by 141. That means, sir, 460 by, sir, 141. Sir, 10% के आसपास आ रहा है. It is coming out as 10% के आसपास. Sir, very complicated calculation. That is true. But again, if you look at these options, options से खेल लो. In this case, you don't need to do like the 0 calculations. This you can, you see 10% ही आ रहा है. देखा? You just, because I can see the nearest option is 18. That can never be the answer. Just use a little bit of logic. That works. That works. Okay? Just a little bit of logic works. Perfect. Next one, sir. Divisible by what? Sir, if x minus 2, meaning I'll put x equal to 2 and check. Put x equal to 2 here. So 2 into, sir, x cube meaning 8 minus 11 into 4 plus 17 into 2, that is 34 minus 6. 16 this, yes sir, 0. So this is divisible, absolutely. 2x minus 1 meaning x will be equal to half. Meaning 2x minus 1 equal to 0, x is half. Put that na, sir. So this is 2 into 1 by 8 minus 11 into 1 by 4 plus 17 into 1 by 2 minus 6. So this is 4. So this is 1 by 4 minus 11 by 4 plus 34 by 4. You see, I'm doing because I want to do a little fast calculation. 24 by 4, right? So this is 35 addition, 35 and 35. So this is also going 35 minus 35 by 4. This is 0. So that means both 1 and 2 is the answer. Option B. Both are giving you the answer, so both are correct. Both are correct, sir. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. Rahul, this 4 months after this, then share of Rahul is this, including 10% commission. Acha. Sir, 50th, like Rahul and Ajay. Sir, 50,000. Ajay is 1,20,000. Right? Sir, after 1 year, meaning 12 months, this is after 4 months, meaning this was there for 8 months. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12, 12 gone. So 5 ratio 8. So 13 is total. Understand, sir. 10%, no, sir. Total 130. Say this is the total profit. Total profit I'm taking 130. 10% will go to Rahul, meaning 13 units. 13 parts will go to Rahul because manage like active partner, plus Rahul's part I'm calculating. Plus Rahul will get, sir, 5 out of 13 parts of what? Of 130. So that means this 10, so 50 and set like this 10%, that is 13. 5 out of 13. So एक second, no, 5 not 130, extremely sorry. बचा कुचा जो है ना, extremely sorry, because 13 में से 10% gone. So 117 remaining na, extremely sorry. So 117 remaining parts will get, so this is 9. So 45, 945 plus 13, sir. So 45 plus 10, 55. 55 and 3, sir, 58. Acha, 58 parts Rahul will get. Now, according to the question, that is a 58,000. So one part is 1,000 rupees, sir. Ajay's share will be how much, sir? Ajay will get 8 out of 13 of 117. That is 8 nines are 72 parts. That means 72,000. Option D, sir. Option D will be the answer, sir. Simple question. Next one, sir. HCF. Sir, HCF of the denominator, that is 2, sir. LCM of the numerator, 27 into 5. 20 is, acha, but sir, again, sir, you should do one thing. Again, always, yes, sir, you can cancel. 3 4s are this, 3 9s are this. So 2 by 9 and 5, 45 will be the answer, sir, option winning. Sir, there is a mistake. There is a mistake. I guess they have not taken this. Sir, again, you should always cancel if it is cancelable. So let me just check एक बार. Without cancellation, it will be 27 and like sir 5. Sir 135. हाँ sir. देखो ना option B, I guess the answer. Sir, it's wrong. It is wrong, sir. Option B is not the answer. Option B is wrong, sir. If you are trying to find LCM or HCF and if the fraction is cancelable, first you have to cancel. There is no like alternate. Okay. So next one, sir. Acha, order. Acha, sir, first you figure this out. Fifth root of 41 and cube root, square root of 3. So this is 1.732, you all know. Cube root of 10 is greater than 2. So if I do 1 by 2, this will be smallest. So my answer will be either 1 or 3. And sir, this will be largest. Sir, answer will be 1, sir. This is true, sir. Only 1. Option A is the answer. Again, don't try to figure out by putting power. बहुत बड़ा power आएगा because 30 will be LCM. Don't try to put in power. To the power 30 means to the power 5, 10 you have to figure out. Those are very difficult, very lengthy. So next one, sir. A can complete 11 whole 1 by 2. Meaning, sir, 23 by 2 days. Acha. B is 25% more efficient. B, acha, sir. Let's figure out efficiency ratio. 25% more efficient than A. So let's say A is 4. A is efficiency. 25% more means 1 more, that is 5. C's efficiency is 50% of B. 50% of B means half. So 5 by 2. So I'll not take half. So I'm taking this 5 and multiplying everything by 2. So this will become 10, this will become 8. देखो, this is 8, this is 10. This is how I am taking the ratio, efficiency ratio, sir. Correct? Achha. Now, what is the total work, sir? A is efficiency into number of days. Total work is 8 into 23 divided by 2. Now, who will do it, sir? Working together. So 8 plus 10 plus this, 8 plus 5, 13 plus this is a 23. Who will do 23? 23, this is 4. How many days? 4 days. How many days? 4 days. Khatam, sir. Option B, 4 days is most definitely your correct answer. Done, sir. Not difficult. Very simple time and work question. Acha, sir. Good question. Last one. I guess last question. Sir, you see, it can become, this particular question could have become very difficult, but again, they have made it easy. This is a TN method question, but again, the TN is given to you. 6n square minus 2n. But again, you need SN, meaning sum. What? Sir, you put summation, sir. Again, sir, in my foundation batches, I've gone with all these things. Sir, 6 summation, what is the, like this formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus 2 into n into n plus 1 by 2. 2 cancels, 6 cancels. So I'm just doing it here. N into n plus 1 gets common. From here to n plus 1 remaining, from here 1 remaining. So 2n square into n plus 1. Option mein hai kya, sir? Check the options. Yes, sir, option C. That's your answer, and that concludes our session. Khatam ho gaya, sir. Now again, I taught you guys TN method, VN method, everything. I told you, yes, question. If they want to give you difficult questions, these are the things that you are expected to get. आ गया सर देखो, आ गया सर देखो. Okay, so that was it, sir. That is it for today. I kind of breeze through the solutions. I hope this is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, anything you want me to repeat, you want me to take a class on these things, the advanced concepts, please feel free to comment down in the comment section. I will be more than happy to take a session. So again, thank you so much, everyone. I will then again see you guys, I guess, next week on Monday from the new setup, meaning my studio, not from this temporary setup. This is the last class, most probably from this setup. Okay. So again, thank you so much. Take care, everyone. Thank you so much for joining in. If you have liked the session, please do hit that like. And if you have any queries, any suggestion, any feedback, feel free to comment it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.